Good morning. If you have plans to mow the lawn today, work in the yard, or maybe meet someone for brunch, you are looking good for most activities outdoors for much of the day. It's not till late afternoon into the evening that impacts begin because we are outlooked in a slight risk. In fact, much of the mid-Atlantic is outlooked in a slight risk. That's a 2 on a scale of 1 to 5 for severe storms, meaning scattered storms on the severe side are possible. So let's take a look at the timing of these storms. Between 4 and 6 looks like an isolated threat, or a few storms may pop up, but they will be very hit or miss. Not everybody will see them. But it's the time frame between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. when this line of storms enters in our western counties and moves east. So in our eastern counties, it may take a little bit longer, like 7, 8 o'clock for them to move in there. But this is the time frame when you really want to be mindful of the weather conditions outside, because this is when we expect the strongest storms to roll through. They will be storms may linger after 10 p.m., but I think the severe threat will be over. Any storm or shower that's left over should be gone by 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. The threats that we are most concerned about, damaging winds. That is the main threat, and the strongest winds will be east and southeast of I-81. There may be a couple storms that have large hail with some brief heavy rainfall. Flash flooding is a possibility. That threat is low. And then a spin-up tornado or two is possible, but that threat again is on the low side. But you can see most of the day is dry and rain-free. It's not until we get into the late afternoon. There may be a little pop-up something across the area, but once we get beyond 4 o'clock, we start to see maybe that hit or miss shower. And then 6 o'clock, you can see that line coming in west to east. Notice the dark reds indicating where we could have some pretty healthy downpours with these cells that do move through. Then it's on out of here as we head towards midnight into the 1 o'clock hour. So your Newsday Storm Team forecast calls for increasing clouds. Those storms to develop late afternoon into the evening. Temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. And you'll notice that stickiness a little more today than yesterday. Storms, showers, and decreasing clouds, dropping humidity. We head to the low 60s, and tomorrow, oh, it's a gorgeous day. Partly to mostly sunny skies, comfy, cooler, a little breezy, but it's that northwest wind that brings down the humidity, and temperatures only in the mid 70s for June 15th. That's pretty outstanding. Our average high is 82 degrees, so being in the 70s takes us below average. Yesterday we were above average at 88. Today we'll be above average in the upper 80s to near 90. We're in the mid 70s right now, although Gettysburg's a little bit warmer there. Dew points are starting to come up, upper 50s to low 60s, and they'll continue to rise. It's quiet right now. All the storms are back in the Ohio Valley. The front's even further to the west. As we look at Predictor once again, you can see it's quiet for most of the day, but once we get beyond 4 o'clock, we could see isolated storms, and then beyond 6 o'clock, we'll start to see this line making its way through the area. Front comes through, winds pick up out of the northwest, ushering in that less humid, more comfortable air for a couple of days, not only tomorrow, but also on Tuesday. High pressure and control of our weather will bring us mostly sunny skies. Now, it will move off the coast Tuesday night. That sets our winds up out of the south for Wednesday, so we head back to the 80s for the rest of the week. In fact, 82, a little more humid on Wednesday. Could have a couple of storms around, but there's a better chance for storms. Some of them could be on the strong to severe side on Thursday, highs in the mid 80s, showers early Friday, and then right now Father's Day weekend is looking nice and dry with seasonable highs.